fishing with coral island things. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. In the heart of Kingston town where the sun always shines, we'll groove to the reggae, kick back, unwind with the sound of the drums and the rhythm so sweet. We'll dance through the night, hot sun beneath our feet. The shores of Montego Bay to the hills of Ocho Rios, we'll sing our hearts out loud in the land that's so blissful, with the colors of the sunset painting the sky bright. We'll dance through the reggae tunes all through the night. Under the palm trees we'll find our peace, with the reggae grooves our hearts release. Jamaica's embrace will feel so free, with the harmonies we'll be in unity. Caribbean sun where the waves gently play, we'll dance to the rhythm of a reggae holiday. In the island breeze our spirits fly so free, to the sound of the drums and the sweet melody. Jamaican harmonies flowing through the air with every beat of the drum. Love is everywhere, feel the warmth of the sun and the ocean's embrace. In the land of Jamaica it's a sacred space, we'll sway to the reggae under the moonlight's gleam. In a tropical paradise it's a dreamer's dream, with the colors of the sunset painting the sky. We'll sing our hearts out, let the music fly. In the rhythm of the night we'll find our way, guided by the stars in the island sway. With the reggae heartbeat we'll unite as one, in Jamaica where the magic is never done. Yeah. Sambas, bonbons, coconut trees, island living, feeling the breeze, creating futures for our dreams, fishing with coral island things. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Coconut trees, island living, feeling the breeze, creating futures for